we'll guide you through how to recover Figma deleted files. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, click on the Windows Start icon on your keyboard to open the Start menu. In the search field, type Google Chrome to locate the browser application on your device. Once it appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome browser. After the browser launches, click inside the URL bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before proceeding, verify that you're already signed into your Figma account. It is important to know that files that have been permanently deleted cannot be recovered. However, files that have only been moved to the trash can still be restored. To begin, move your cursor to the left side of the Figma homepage where the navigation menu is located. Click the Trash option to open the folder containing your deleted files. Your collection of files currently stored in the trash will appear on the screen. Browse through the list and locate the file that you want to recover. Once you find it, right-click on the file to display the available options. From the context menu, select Restore. After a few moments, the file will be moved back to your draft section, allowing you to access and edit it again as before. If you prefer to keep the original file in the trash while creating another copy, choose Duplicate to Drafts instead. This option creates a duplicate of the selected file and places the copy inside your drafts without restoring the original item. If you are completely certain that you no longer need a file, you can choose Permanently Delete from the same menu. Be careful before selecting this option because permanently deleted files cannot be recovered later. Always double-check the file before confirming the action to avoid accidentally losing important work that you may need in the future for ongoing or upcoming design projects.